Hey, this will be a quick lesson. Semaphore CI. It's really great tool to running your tests much faster than what you could see with different CI providers. The nice thing that they introduced in new version called Semaphore 2.0 is the fact that you can run a lot of concurrent, like parallel jobs at the same time. And thanks to that, much faster complete your whole test suite. And I'll show you example for the Rails, but this is like general example that can be relevant also for other test runners like Jest or Cypress.io in JavaScript. So let's go to my dashboard. I have a project, like example Rails project with a test suite in RSpec, and I have one CI build here. So let's open it. And yeah, regular CI build. I'm just installing the gems with the bundler. Then I'm running the RSpec tests. And the nice thing is I'm going to split those tests into two jobs. So there will be job called like node 0 and job called node 1. And this test suite is split thanks to Knapsack Pro, the Ruby gem. And as you can see here, I have the opened results for the node 0. And what we would like to check is when the test suite completed the work. So we can see that the hour of our test completion on this node 0 was this time, like 36 minutes, 56 seconds. And let's check the node 1. And completion of the test suite was also 36 minutes and 56 seconds. So as you can see, both nodes, the node 0 and node 1, completed your test suite at the same time. It's possible thanks to the fact that Knapsack Pro will dynamically allocate your test files across those parallel jobs. And thanks to that, all jobs will finish work in similar time, so there will be no bottleneck, and your whole CI build will be faster than splitting tests manually by directory or any other way. So yeah, this is like example how it looks like. I will link down below a video about how dynamic test suite split works and what other problems it could solve and help you with. I hope you will like this example with Semaphore CI. As I said, it's really nice because Semaphore allows you to run as many parallel jobs as you like, so you can simply configure here like maybe 10 nodes. For instance, if you have bigger project and your test suite takes maybe 1 hour or a few hours, then splitting tests across 10, 20, maybe even 50 jobs will make your test suite much faster. You could run your tests in a few minutes instead of hour. I will show you the code how I did this setup on Semaphore. So yeah, here is my configuration file, semaphore.yaml. And as you can see, here is the jobs step, and I need to configure the unique name for this job. So on purpose, I set node 0 here, and then I specify the Knapsack Pro command here. So I need to provide how many in total jobs I have. I will have 2 jobs, so this is set to number 2, and I need to specify what job number I'm running. So here's the job 0, and here is the job 1. And yeah, and rest is just calling the rake task Knapsack Pro Q RSpec. Q is basically the name for the Q mode in Knapsack Pro, which is dynamic test suite allocation. Yeah, so the configuration is very simple. If you would like to have more nodes, you basically copy this step and change the name to node 3. You need to update the total number to 3 and update the index number to 1 bigger. Yeah, and also you have to remember about configuring the environment variables because you need to set the API token to access Knapsack Pro API. So you will set it here. If you don't want to store the secrets in your file, Semaphore CI allows you to keep secrets out of your repository in Git. So you will find docs in their documentation how to do that. Yeah, so basically that's the very simple configuration. And last thing, you can check website knapsackpro.com and just sign up, try this, and yeah. We have also a few test runners, more than just Ruby, so like integration for JavaScript test runners, Cypress and Jest. So yeah, I would love to hear feedback from you, maybe some ideas, what kind of test runners you would like to see support. Thank you for watching and have a great day.